Hey, good morning. Welcome back to Long's Learning Channels. You're looking at my home screen, talking with the students this morning on Zoom. Good job, everybody. We'll be doing some more of those meetings. I'm probably going to schedule one for Thursday, so look for that. But talking with you guys, some problems with the class notebook. You need to be working in the app. Some of you say, well, it won't let me open up the app. The problem is, I don't think you have the app on your computer. So what you need to do here is go to Office 365. Go in there, open up Office 365. I'm going to have to log in because I'm not logged in. Once you get into Office 365, this is what you're going to see. Here are all the apps you have. You should have this app. If you don't have that app in Office 365, then you probably didn't download Office 365 from Cobb County. But regardless, here's how you get that OneNote app. Just go to All Apps. Click on that. You see here are all the apps that I have on in my Office 365. So you need to click Add-ins. Let me go back here. If you have that class notebook right here, that's saying that you have that app on your computer. So you should be able to work in the app. If you do not have it, go to the add-ins. You click on the add-in, that's going to take you to the Microsoft warehouse here, the Microsoft store. Click on OneNote. And you'll see Microsoft OneNote and get Microsoft OneNote, and you just click on that, and that's going to allow you to download and get the Office 365 OneNote app. Parents, very quickly, if you did not download Office 365 from Cobb County, there are steps that you can go through to get Office 365. One thing that you want to do is then click on Parents page, Microsoft Office 365 support, and then you can get Office 365 here. They've allowed us so many downloads. So right here, it'll tell you how to get to Office 365 and download Office 365 from Cobb County. Another thing is, here are also some other videos. So here's a professional video on OneNote and working in the OneNote app. Get started with OneNote, and a OneNote training videos. Some of these are for educational purposes for the educator, but I believe a couple of these might help your students work in and for you to even understand how OneNote works. All right. So thank you guys for listening, tuning in. Keep connected. Thank you guys once again for connecting on Zoom this morning, and look forward to seeing you guys. You guys stay connected together. Keep working. Thank you.